Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share an amazing home remedy that can help you breathe easier and reduce aches and pains all over your body. It's very simple to do, but has big benefits. All you need is some VICKS VapoRub and your own 2 feet. I know that sounds a little strange, but stick with me because I'll explain the science behind why putting VICKS on your feet works. This is an old family remedy that has been passed down for generations, and now I want to share it with you. So get ready to learn about how rubbing VICKS VapoRub on your feet can help open up your airways, improve circulation, relieve sore muscles, and help you sleep better at night. This simple trick may become your new favorite home remedy. Let's start with the basics. What is VICKS VapoRub? It's a menthol cream that you can find at any drugstore or pharmacy. The main ingredients are camphor, eucalyptus oil, and menthol. These natural ingredients have been used for over 100 years to relieve congestion, coughs, aches, and pains. When you rub VICKS on your chest or neck area, the menthol helps open up your airways so you can breathe more easily. It leaves a cooling sensation that makes your nose and throat feel less stuffy. But today, I want to focus on a different way to use VICKS, on your feet. Here's why. Your feet have lots of nerve endings and sweat glands. When you rub VICKS onto your feet, the menthol in the cream binds to the nerve receptors in your skin. This sends signals of cooling to your brain, which provides temporary pain relief. The cooling sensation helps distract your brain from sensing aches and pains elsewhere in your body. It's like your brain can only focus on one sensation at a time, and in this case it's the cooling feeling on your feet rather than the pain. People have used this home remedy for generations to help relieve headaches, muscle soreness, chest congestion, and other cold and flu symptoms so they can rest more comfortably. The mentholated rub eases discomfort in the body so you can fully relax and sleep better. Of course, VICKS isn't a cure-all. It won't fix the underlying cause of your illness or pain. But it's an affordable home remedy that can provide temporary relief from annoying symptoms to help you feel better. So how do you use VICKS on your feet? It's easy. First, get a small tub of the rub. Always follow instructions on the package. Apply a thick layer of VICKS to the soles of each foot before bedtime. Don't rub it in completely so it stays put. Next, put on a pair of socks to hold the VICKS in place. This allows it to fully absorb overnight. Get into bed and make yourself cozy. The cooling menthol sensation will start working right away. This feeling helps distract from body aches so you can fully relax. As you sleep, the menthol and other ingredients will absorb through the skin on your feet. This provides temporary relief from congestion, sore muscles, headaches, and any other body aches. When you wake up in the morning, you should notice an improvement in symptoms. You'll breathe easier, have less pain, and feel more rested. Here's why this home remedy works so well. Your feet have many nerve endings and sweat glands, so the VICKS absorbs rapidly when applied to this area. The natural ingredients like menthol are vasodilators, meaning they open up your blood vessels and improve circulation and airflow. Better circulation means more oxygen throughout the body. This temporarily increases energy and reduces aches and pains. Improved airflow helps open nasal passages and provide congestion relief. The cooling sensation from the menthol also lowers your core temperature. This allows your muscles to fully relax so you can sleep better. And restful sleep allows your body to heal itself faster. In summary, VICKS on feet can improve circulation and airflow, cool the body temperature, relieve aches and pains, help you sleep more soundly. These benefits work together to help you wake up feeling revitalized and re-energized. While VICKS on feet is not a cure, it is an effective home remedy to provide temporary relief from colds, coughs, headaches, and sore muscles. Give it a try the next time you're feeling under the weather or have body aches. Just check with your doctor first if you have health conditions. To use: apply a thick layer of VICKS to clean soles of feet before bed. Put on socks to hold in place. Get cozy in bed and sleep. I hope you found this explanation of using VICKS on your feet helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any other questions. I always love sharing home remedies and natural approaches to health and wellness. If you found this video informative, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Your support helps me keep making videos like this to share home remedies that have been passed down for generations. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.